channel. This is Toshika. So recently I did a Mycara 2021 planner unboxing video, and then I got the idea to create this video. Like how actually a beginner can use it. Because many of us just buy the planner, and when we get the planner in our hand, then many of the people don't even know how to use it. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how you can actually use your planner. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, so please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So now let's get started. So the first question, what actually a planner is all about, or why should we have one? And the answer is, it's basically a tool to help you in creating your inspiring and intentional year. Like how actually you want your ideal year to be, what goals you want to accomplish. So the planners are something which helps you to keep track of each and everything. So for this you have to keep few things in your mind. First, choose a right planner for yourself. So when I say choose a right planner for yourself, so what does exactly it means? So basically every person has a different personality, needs and lifestyle. Maybe you are a student or a working professional. So instead of thinking how to start with a planner, first see what planner would be best for you. Second thing, set a time. Many people just end up buying the planner but they don't use it because they don't get the time or they get confused how to use it. So instead of getting confused and giving excuses, please set a time because you have already bought the planner and now you have to use it. Set a time in the morning, in the evening or maybe in the night according to yourself. Give your 15 to 30 minutes to the planner because generally किसी भी चीज के लिए अगर हम टाइम सेट कर लेते हैं तो we'll automatically think कि हाँ यार मुझे ये करना है. So set a time. Third, keep it simple. Don't complicate all the things. Just write down about your schedule, to-do list or goal planning. And that's it. Don't just try to keep it over decorative if you cannot. So these are the basic things you can keep in mind before actually using the planner. So now let's see the planner and see how you can properly use it. So as we already saw in the last video, like here you can fill all the personal details and then the contact details. Then we have this 21-22 calendar, and so let's start from here. Year in pixel. So here you can mention your moods. Like for each day they have given this different type of moods, emojis, and like suppose 1st of Jan would be a cheerful day for you. So you can fill it with a pink pen. And then we have this page for some different affirmations like I'm strong, I'm beautiful, I'm bold. Then the things you can do and the things you have done, like your small wins, छोटी-छोटी achievements जो आपने आपकी life में achieve की हैं. And then the things you want to do to create a better life. And then we have this beautiful birthday and anniversary page, so you can write down all the important birthdays and anniversaries here. And if you are a reserved kind of person just like me, if you have a small circle, so you can actually stick the pictures here with the date. That would look so amazing. So here is the bookstagram section. You can write down all the books you read, and one suggestion from my side would be don't write the name until you complete the book. Because बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम कोई बुक कंप्लीट करने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा टाइम लगा देते हैं. Even it happens with me also. तो जब तक हम उस पर्टिकुलर बुक को पढ़ ना ले, we will have this in our mind कि मुझे इस साल ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बुक्स पढ़नी है. So you will try to complete that book as early as you can. So now let's move on to the movie section. If you are a person who watch a lot of movies and series, then you can actually use these boxes also. And one more thing, like for every book you read or movie you watch, you can actually mention the date. That's how you will create the memories. You will remember the dates. And then we have this bucket list. So you can write down all your wish list and the things you want to do. I've also created mine, and that is a long list. I don't think so that's gonna fit here. If you also have a long bucket list, so what you can do is you can write them in a page and then you can stapler the page here or here. And then we have this travel goal section. So if you already have planned anything for this year, so just write down here. For the next year, if you have any plans, you can write them out. Then like here, like in next 2 years, 5 and 10 years, you can write down your dream destinations, like where you want to travel. And then here some notes. And then we have the goal planner section, so you can actually plan your goals. Like you can write down the action steps and like the roadblocks you're having to complete that particular goal. So they have provided some sections for the goal planning, and goal planning is something that I can't complete in this particular video, so I'll be making one more video on goal planning. Here's the medical history, like you can write down your height, weight and blood type and everything, yeah, like your medical condition here. And then we have the social media states, so like if you have any Instagram page or YouTube channel or Twitter, so you can just keep track of your followers, like for January you have this much followers, and then here we have week at a glance section. You can write down some notes or to-do list for each day, and then weekly goals, like the schedules if you have any schedules, or grocery list or any shopping list, like then the gratitude section, and then the week focus, and then some notes, then some ideas if you get any idea, then the expenses, like how much you spend this week, the amount you can write down, and the weekly chores. Then again we have, like for January we have 4 weeks. Then they have this meal planner, we have this exercise tracker, like you can keep track of your water intake and how many hours of sleep you are taking, and if you want to avoid sugar, then you can just draw a circle. And again the same no junk section. And then we have this habit tracker page. So many of the people don't know how to actually use this habit tracker wheel. So the right way to use this wheel, you can write down the habit in the habit section, the main habits you want to grow. And then like on 1st of January, if you have done this particular thing, then you can fill this box with a color pen. And for each habit, you can use a different color pen. So this is how it's gonna be. And then you can write down the main habits you want to grow, habits to kill, seed days, period days. And then the monthly budget section, which I really like. And then month at a glance, and some main appointments for the particular month, or the important events and top goals, to-do list. After writing all this, like at the end of the month, you can actually review your month. You can do a check mark if you have done the goal or to-do list. And then the 3 lessons you have learned this month. And this is how it's till December. If you have particular health goals, so you can keep track of your weight every week. So you can keep track of your weight every week. And then this weight loss tracker, but many of the people nowadays are trying to gain the weight, and actually cut it out from here if you want to gain the weight, so it would be only the weight tracker. Then the travel plans, financial goal tracker, bill tracker, and this is something I really loved about this planner. Credit card tracker, debt payment tracker, then investment tracker, then yearly financial overview, year-end net worth. Then we have this memory lane section, you can stick the pictures here, and the section for gratitude, so you can write down all the things you are grateful for, and then year at a glance for each month. Then we have the brain dump, and then the coloring page. That's it. And at the end of the planner we have this small envelope. So friends, I hope you guys have enjoyed my video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel, because it will give me all the motivation to create more videos for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.